Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on PPE hearing protection. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Hearing protection is just one part of a complete hearing conservation program that should include engineering controls, administrative controls, and available hearing protection devices. Employees must obey all applicable guidelines in the hearing conservation program, including wearing hearing protection devices when necessary. This lesson will describe what noise reduction ratings are, how to use them, and the different types of hearing protection devices. The noise reduction rating, or NRR, of hearing protection indicates the level of protection provided. NRR is measured in decibels, but that does not necessarily mean the hearing protection device being used reduces the decibel level by the number indicated on the NRR. For example, if you are in a warehouse with a noise level of 100 decibels and you are wearing earplugs with a noise reduction rating of 33, your level of exposure is not reduced to 67 decibels. Instead, to determine actual noise reduction provided by single protection, either muffs or plugs, perform the following. Determine the laboratory-based noise attenuation provided by the manufacturer. This is referred to as the noise reduction rating, NRR, and is listed on the packaging. Subtract the NRR from the C-weighted, time-weighted average, TWA, workplace noise level. Estimated exposure in dBA equals time-weighted average, dBC, minus noise reduction rating. If C-weighted noise level data is not available, A-weighted data can be used by subtracting a 7 dB correction factor from the noise reduction rating as follows. The estimated exposure in dBA equals the time-weighted average minus noise reduction rating minus 7. For example, if the time-weighted average is 100 dBA...
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.